Assalamualaikum everyone, welcome to Yes Spoken English production. Myself Imran Ali Rai, and along with me there Arusa, that is pronunciation teacher, that is with you. Me and she are going to perform an interesting dialogue. How to ask the location. लोकेशन कैसे पूछी जाती है, कैसे जाना जाता है, कुछ फिक्रात है उर्दू के मीनिंग के साथ हमने नरेट किए हैं। देखिए, बताइए आपको कैसे लगे, आपके लिए कितने हेल्पफुल साबित हुए। चलिए शुरू करते हैं। एक्सक्यूज मी, आई एम सॉरी टू ट्रबल यू। माफ़ करना, तकलीफ देने पर माजरत खा हूँ।
Yes, what can I do for you? जी, मैं आपके लिए क्या कर सकती हूँ?
Could you tell me how can I get to the train station?
Yeah, it's that way.
Which way?
Keep walking straight ahead.
And then?
And then take left.
Okay. And then?
And then take right.
Perfect. And then?
And then pass the bank at the corner.
Okay. And then?
Cross that road too.
Okay. And then?
You'll see the school in front of a barber shop.
Okay. And then?
At the back side of the school, there is train station.
Oh, thanks. I thought I would miss the train.
Thanks. If I was able to help.
Turn left. बाएं जानिब मुड़ो.
Take left. बाईं तरफ मुड़ जाओ.
Look behind. पीछे देखो.
Move back. वापस.
Well, go straight on. सीधे चलते रहना.
Till you see the hospital, then turn left. यहाँ तक के आपको हॉस्पिटल नजर आ जाए तो बाईं तरफ मुड़ जाना.
Turn left. बाएं जानिब मुड़ना.
When you see a roundabout, जब आपको roundabout नजर आए.
So then, turn right. दाएं मुड़ जाना.
At the end of a road.
Cross the junction. Junction को क्रॉस करो, पार करो.
And keep going for about 1 mile. और सीध के 1 मील तक आते रहो.
The hospital is opposite the railway station. Hospital railway station के मुकाबिल है.
The shop is near the hospital. दुकान इस अस्पताल के करीब है.
The house is next to the local cricket ground. वहाँ के cricket ground के बाद घर आएगा. The shop is in between the chemist and KFC. जो दुकान है वो chemist और KFC के दरमियान में है. At the end of the road, you will see roundabout. रोड के आखिर पे आपको एक roundabout नजर आएगा. Now let's have this dialogue to practice in one card. Me and Arusa are going to perform that. So keep listening, keep practicing, and send it to our WhatsApp numbers as you are a student of our groups. Excuse me, how can I find the train station?
Well, look at the roundabout.
Sorry, come again?
Well, look at the roundabout.
Yes, I can see that.
You should take left from the roundabout.
From that roundabout? Okay.
Keep going straight till the bank at the corner.
Okay, what's the name of that bank?
It's 50 million at the corner.
Oh, sorry, what's the name you told?
I thought it's 50 million at the corner.
At the corner, okay. Is there any cab available?
I don't think so. You need
Why?
the train station is after the bank.
Ah, okay. Thank you very much for your help. You're really able to help. Okay. Excuse me. How can I find the train station?
Well, look at the roundabout.
Yes, I can see that.
You should take left from the roundabout.
From that roundabout. Okay.
Going straight to the bank at the corner. Oh my god.
Okay. What's the name of the bank?
It's corner.
PCB. Okay. Is there any cab available?
I don't think so, you mean?
Why?
Because the train station is after the bank.
Okay. Thank you. You're really helpful.